In this video, I'm going to explain fraction and types of fraction. Here, as a definition, a fraction is a part of a whole thing or a part of a group of things. It's going to be. So, as an example here given this one, the pizza with 5 slices, but 2 has taken, and here we have 5 slices. So 2 has taken. To show this one, to notate this form, we are using the fractions, and the way of showing it's given here. The number of we are talking about, because we are talking about now the taken part. So how much taken? 2 part is taken. The number of all parts is there were 5 slices, so it's 2 over 5. It's going to be 2 over 5. The taken part normally, and totally 5 pieces. So there were 5 pieces and the left 3 pieces. So 3 over 5 parts of it left. Okay, here there is an exercise, and it's asking to write the shaded area as a fraction. Here we should check firstly equal pieces. For the circle we have 3 equal pieces. We are understanding like that, and 2 of them shaded. So the number of equal pieces here, it is written to denominator, and here we have 2 equal pieces. So the shaded area, 2 of them, 2/3 of it shaded. And here for the bigger square we have 9 small squares, so the denominator is going to be 9. How many equal pieces there are? 9 equal pieces. How many of them shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are talking about 4 equal pieces. And the last one here with circles or discs, we can say there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 discs, and as you see 1, 2, 3 of them they are shaded, so the answer is 3 over 7. As a term fraction, we are writing the number up, numerator, and down, denominator. The line between them is called fraction bar, and while we are reading, we are going to read like 2 over 5. Here, how to read the fraction, we are going to try to understand that one. Here, 1 over 3 or 1/3, it's going to be 5 over 6, 7 over 9, 4 over 11, or 7 over 4. Here also 5/6 also we are using, 7/9, 4/11, 7/4 also we are using as a term. And here, if I simply clean this one, you can easily see how we are reading. 1/3 of it, 5/6 or 5 over 6, or for the C1, 7/9 or 7 over 9. Here 4/11 and 4 over 11. Generally I'm going to use 7/4 or 7 over 4. 7/4 also you can use, 7/4 also you can use for this one. And here it's going to be written like this. Here we have the types of fractions. There are 3 types of fractions: simple fraction, improper fraction, and mixed number. When we say simple fraction, the numerator is smaller than denominator. Here, if I give some examples, 2 over 5, 1 simple fraction. Here, 1 over 7 is 1 simple fraction. Only the number a, here what is written up, must be smaller than number b. The second one is improper fraction, it is called. Improper fraction, numerator is greater than denominator. So for the improper fraction, we are going to replace the places 5/2 or 7/3 or 11/4. It's going to be improper fraction for us. We can give many examples like this. Mixed numbers, it consists whole part and the proper fraction. This part is important. Simple fraction, it should get like terms 2 and 1/3, and here also 1.5. Also we are using, half represent the instead of over 2 we are using half also. So 1.5 we can use, or 1/2 we can use here. 2 and 1.5, or 3 and 4/7 we can use, or 5 and 2/7 it can be. We can give many exercises for this one. Now, if the fraction it is given in terms of improper fraction, we can transform this one to mixed number, and if it is given in mixed number, we are going to transform that one into improper fraction. It's possible to write like that, and here how we are going to do this one. It's given, if the a/b is given, a divided by b, then we are going to get one quotient, and we are going to get remainder. That's why these terms are written with q and r, to represent the quotient and the remainder. And here, when you finish this division operation, the remainder is written as a mixed number. When you want to write a/b, the quotient is written as a whole number, then the remainder is written up, and the base it's going to be, the denominator, it should be same again. So when I want to divide 11/4, I know that there are two times here. I want to write with different color. 2 times 4 in 11, and 2 times 4 it's equal to 8. Then the remainder it's going to be equal to 3. So when you want to write this term as a mixed number, 11/4 is equal to, the whole number is written in front of the mixed number. Here it is 2. Then the term, the base, it's going to stay same, and the remainder it's going to written up, and it's going to be in this form. Okay, in another example, 29/2, it's equal to, I'm going to divide 29 by 2, and it's going to be equal to, here we have, if it is 28, 14 times it's going to be 14 times 2, it's equal to 28, and the remainder is equal to 1. So the number here, 29/2 is going to be equal to, again I'm repeating, the base or denominator, it's not going to change. The base term is not true, sorry. The denominator, it's not going to change, and it's going to be 2. The 14, it's going to be written here, this is the quotient, and the remainder, which is 1, it's written to numerator part of mixed number. Okay, now we are going to transform mixed number to improper fraction. Here is the way to write the improper fraction, mixed number into improper fraction, and we are going to apply this one to the here 1/3 and 1/3 value, and here it's going to be 3 times 3. This one and this one you're going to multiply 3 times 3, then you're going to add to this one. 3 times 3 is equal to 3 times 3 and plus 1/3 it's going to be, which is equal to 9 plus 1/3, which is 10/3. Here again I'm writing here 6 and 2/7 is going to be 7 times 6 is equal to 7 times 6. Directly I'm going to write, that's why I'm calculating now. 7 times 6, 42 plus 2, it's going to be equal to 44. So it's equal to 44/7 it must be. And the others, the rest of them from the previous page also we have, the rest of them it's going to be classwork for us.